front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher if it's not already on, and then wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!